Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I got the car outside of KFC. Show you all the bars up there. Looks a bit funny with them all closed, doesn't it, Marcus?
Yeah.
We'll go and see.
Feel sorry for the place. Their favourite bar shop.
Yeah. I was saying that, Marcus, the door was open when we come through earlier.
Yeah, too shame, too shame.
There's KFC there on the corner. Up on the English end now. Any idea what this is called there, Marcus? This hill.
Nope.
I think we got him there. The Star Bar.
I think it's called something like Cadete Libre. There's a sign coming up now that says it.
Is that right?
Sign coming up now overhead that says what the rate's called, so
We'll read it.
I will.
Oh, it's there, the lamppost there.
Oh, Cadete Londres.
Hello, they're on there. That's another one you can put in your knowledge now, Marcus.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Okay. As you can see, a lot of these bars have not been open at all since lockdown. And the Stratford end over the other side of the road.
Stratford.
They're open for takeaway now.
Yep.
They haven't been open a lot. They've been open, I think it's mainly weekends they've been open, but now they're open for takeaway. London Bar, we haven't heard what's happening with that now.
I think they sold it.
We did hear it was going to get sold. Indian's never been open since we've been up here. Should be trying that when we get there. Hey, there's a rabbit over there, Marcus.
Huh?
No. What's that?
Oh, bless that. Chicken. Oh, good rabbit.
Yep. Marcus likes his rabbit. Supermarket's open there still. The laundrette over there. That's Freddy's. I'm not getting these right, Mark, you'll have to tell me. That bar, of course, shut at the moment. It has been open recently. Yorkshire Pride 2. That's not been open since lockdown. There's just not enough people up here at the moment. And the drop-in, don't think that's been open. steak.
Do you like that?
No, it's Italian, that one, isn't it?
See?
Yeah, it's Italian steakhouse. That's been open. Restrictions now obviously shut. And the one the police use for their lunch. As Marcus said earlier. Yeah. All the tables and chairs are gone. Stacked up at the back. And they do a roaring charade normally. I've been in a couple of times. Thunder's over there. I don't know what's going on there. Tables and chairs and people sat out. Take it some kind of takeaway thing.
No, I don't think it's takeaway.
Or maybe it's the owners. Is this going on there then, Marcus?
I'm not sure. I think they've just like coupled a randomness up in a lot of us.
Maybe.
Don't fall over. That's your time.
Getting tired now, been out a while now, filming. Just having a walk back up towards ours now. Up the hill, this is where we start puffing and blowing. Thank you, Marcus. I don't think you've not done that on one of my videos today.
I'm sorry, it's so
Bless you.
big, but gunshots and dogs are hungry.
Yeah, it's nothing more than sort of a bit of hay fever or whatever it is. Seems to get it when the sun comes out. It's nothing more than that. Bunch far over the road there. Catering mainly for Spanish. Okay guys, I don't think I can show you more. Our supermarket up here, I think that's going to be about it. I don't think I've ever done it up this way. The walks usually go in the other way down the hill. I know when it first came, it was really hard to get up this hill. It's not too bad now. There's our supermarket there. Okay guys,